to graze. They munch on grass in a sunny haze, with a munch munch here and a munch munch there. The cows in the field eat without a care. The sheep on the hill go up and down. They wander and graze all over the town, with a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there. The sheep on the hill roam without a care. The ducks by the pond flap their wings. They waddle and quack as they happily sing, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. The ducks by the pond splash everywhere.